Tayo, ma'am, si kaya don't worry.
Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. Hello.
Video ba gusto mo, me?
Video. Ayan, para pakita mo doon kung Be, tingnan mo, nandito kami sa dog park.
Yeah.
Hindi sila nag-away yun.
they're actually
Dating aso. Ayan o. Pareha sila.
Magka... Yeah, hello, how are you? Kumusta ka? Ganyan lang yan.
How are you? Or?
Nakaka-culture shock ba, me? Hindi. Pag nakikipag-away yung aso mo, me, kailangan mong ilabas yan. Ganun yan dito, ang rules. Ha? Ayun o, mami, ano ka? Yeah. Teka lang yung bag ko na.
My mom's dog came over and they were drive. And well, my mom's dog was in there helping my dog's face. My dog's like slapping this dog, and they just what are you doing? Come on, quit it. He's smacking around, and then he came in. I was correcting the dog. He wanted to bite my finger, and my dog. I've never seen him. Just came over there. Look at his face. I was like, okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was like, oh, that's cool.
Does naturally have that protection?
Yeah, it's a total protection drive.
Wala natin yung bola, no?
Hindi, walang. Kala mo may mag-aaway na. Saan na siya? Mabait yan, me. How?
Yeah.
So those are all new.
Yeah, the new teeth that had just come in.
Caucasian Shepherd.
I'm sorry?
Caucasian Shepherd?
This one.
Yeah, from Russia.
That's a new one.
Yeah, it's a new one. It's like 9 months.
It's a puppy.
It's a puppy still. Yeah. Thor.
Thor?
Thor. Perfect for his body.
Thor. Thor.
Oh wait a minute. I'm thirsty.
I have never seen one.
Yeah. It looks like Newfoundland.
Yeah,
They have
it does.
almost the same breed, but
Brown one's a new feet. I call him Mr. Chocolate.
Mr. Chocolate. Oh, he's thirsty. And he's friendly. He's a friendly dog.
That's great. Is that their nature?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What's their... They have a job, a purpose? Or?
What's his job, eh?
To kill wolves and mountain lions.
Yeah. For a sheep. It's like a sheep dog
Okay.
in Russia.
Do they
They,
guard-
they
guard
kill
the
wolves.
Fight force of any
They
dog.
get bigger like this.
Out of any dog. That's the #1 guard dog. They were an old. They've never been a changed breed. It's an unchanged breed. Like a pit bull, their bite force is like 235 pounds per square inch, and the German Shepherd is actually 238, so a bit more, a couple pounds. The Rottweiler, those heads, they were about like 300, 307.
Mag-welcome siya ng mga ano, baang dadating.
400 pounds per square inch. If you went into a different kind of breed, which is the big cat's like 600 pounds per square inch for a lion.
Ay,
Hyena is
magkaano
like
siya, mami? Ibigyan mo tubig, ma.
150,000
Hindi, sige, pang sakal na talaga yan. May,
The one that-
hindi, may tubig din doon. Pwede yan.
It's a bone breaker.
Ah.
It doesn't go to bite you, to warn you. It goes to end you. It doesn't. There's no in between.
Buksan mo lang mo yung gripo.
There's no negotiation. Yeah, it's a lot scary, but me, diga.
No, why? No.
Oh man, we're gonna go.
Me.